This is me, simula nung naging nanay ako ni Chopper. As you can see in the video, nagmukha na talaga akong uncle dahil napabayaan ko na yung sarili ko at nalosang na talaga ako kakabantay at alaga kay Chopper.
Kasalanan ko pa talaga. Ikaw nga yung umuubos ng dog food ko eh.
Kaya nagpatulong na ako kay Doc George para bumalik agad ang aking kurbada as soon as possibility. Dahil magkikita na naman kami ni Asukal di Papa. And for sure, mapapalaban na naman ako. First thing that I need to do is to memorize the opening prayer and the rituals after the procedure. We believe in the saying that time heals, but it also depends on how I take good care of myself. And in the second place, we will discuss with anesthesiologists what is the anesthesia that is very good for me. And after deliberation, we decided to undergo in general anesthesia with sweet dreams so that I will not feel the pain. Nag-suggest din ako kay Doc kung pwede bang i-autopsy na lang ako tapos tanggalin na lang yung ibang laman loob or ilipat na lang talaga yung ibang laman loob sa ibang parts ng katawan ko para mas lumiit yung bewang ko. Pero sabi ni Doc, hindi daw pwede. Kaya pinatulog niya na lang ako kasi ang dami ko daw sinasuggest. Ipapa-vaser liposuction na lang daw niya ako. At ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang pagit ko palang matulog. Murag pala! Hindi ko na ipapakita ang aking struggle during the procedure kasi wala naman kayong pakialam sa akin. Garay! Diba ito yung katawan ko dati? And after 3 weeks, this is my waistline now! Wow! Sobrang kurbada! Hindi ko lang na-measure yung waistline ko before surgery pero yung sizes ng pants ko dati ay nasa 29 to 30 inches. But now, 24 inches? Amazing! Medyo maga pa rin siya ngayon so I need to wear compression garments for 2 to 3 weeks for better results. At sa mga tamad dyan mag-diet at wala nang time mag-workout, magpakatay na din kayo sa George B. Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. And do you have questions related sa experiences ko sa liposuction? Just comment below or just keep it to yourself. And by the way, si Doc George din ang gumawa ng aking Cocomelon. You may message the Facebook page of Doc George if you have inquiries or if you want to book an appointment. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait! Renovate yourself now!